The last question for this week's recitation is about the scale of economy. So on this table, first look at this table. So this table is telling us the average total cost of producing varying quantity of output from 3 different plants. So the first row is about the real output. We have 10, 20, 30, 45, 50 until 100 real output. And correspondingly, we have 3 plants can to produce those output. The first is the small firm. When we have 10 output, it will cost the small firm's average cost is 600. A medium firm is 800. Large firm will cost $1,000. So we have the data, but we also can convert the data to our average total cost curve. So I've already helped you to down the conversion. So you will find the green line here is the small plant, and the dash line is for the medium plant, and the purple line is for the large plant. So the objective for the firm is trying to maximize the profit or minimize the cost. So if you own those 3 firms, you will know your production the way you choose the company or plant to do the production is based on the lowest, based on the average total cost, which have the lowest value. So for instance, if we produce 10 output, so you will find the small firm give us the lowest cost average total cost value. So if we only produce the 10, the small firm will be the best choice. And however, if we want to produce 50 product, and we will find the dash line is the lowest line. So in that case, if we produce 50 output, the medium firm will be the best choice. And if we produce 880 output, so you will find that the large firm has the lowest average total cost. So in that scenario, if we produce 80 output, we will choose large firm. So now let's look at the question here. So it asks what plants should be used to produce 100 units. So the 100 units is our last possible output. So before you think carefully, probably will think, maybe I want to choose the large firm because it has the lowest average total cost. However, if you look at the question carefully, so what plants? So it means you can use the combination. So now in order to see the combination, we can go back to look at the question. So if we want to produce 100, if we want to produce 100 output, one option is we will use the large firm to produce it. So we have $500 as average total cost. And another possible way is we try to use 2 medium firm and to each one of them produce 50. So we will have, if one firm produce 50 and we will have 200, it will cost 200 per form. So the total cost is $400. So obviously, if we have 2 medium firm, it will do a better job than 1 large firm. So the question here, what plant should be used to produce 100 units? So that is 2 medium firm. So that would be the best choice. So again, don't be restricted by choosing only 1 firm. In this scenario, you can have 2 firms to each one produce half of the output.